A neighbor in Houston shared this video. What would you do?
Hello?
Hey, can you please help me? Can you please help me?
No, you need to leave.
Look, man. Look, can you please help?
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Los Angeles, California. Looks like we got a Spider-Man here. Yeah, we're gonna be seeing a lot of Spider-Man in this episode. Gardena, California. Yeah, it's coyote season. Atlanta, Georgia. So a man finds a toddler walking in the streets. Luckily, he got her out of the streets, but he doesn't know where her parents are.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello? Hi.
It's a little girl out here. She just crossed the street. I was trying to see, did you know who child this was?
Oh, no, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe the neighbors. No, that's not the
Okay.
neighbor's child. I don't know whose child that is. That's not the neighbor.
I just seen her walking across the street. She crosses the street. I don't want nothing to happen to her.
Well, she's not the neighbor's child. I don't know who she is. Maybe take her to the gas station. Maybe across the street.
Take her to the gas station. Luckily, this guy found her.
Oh my fucking God.
The report says that it was some grandparents that was watching the kid, and they took an eye off her and she got away. She was reunited with her grandparents later on, thanks to this guy. Yeah, gotta keep an eye on those toddlers. Looks like a pretty busy street. Las Vegas, Nevada. We got a peeping Tom here. Los Angeles, California. So this guy comes all masked up with his glasses. Looks pretty creepy. Atlanta, Georgia. So this lady just walks right inside someone's house. This is why you gotta always keep those doors locked. Gardena, California. Yeah, it's coyote season. Another coyote is seen in somebody's backyard. Yeah, better not leave those small pets outside, 'cause the coyote's on the prowl. Houston, Texas. Looks like we got another Spider-Man here. Hey, get off my fence. Austin, Texas. Check her out.
Hello? Hello? You are really idiots. I was like sitting. I don't know what the fuck you're saying, but you went to double.
Hello?
Okay, hi. I read some girls out confused. I read some girls out confused. Can I come in?
You can't come in.
Please, I mean, I couldn't even, but okay. You're responsible. I'm really okay. I'm just freezing outside. I'm all by myself. And I haven't been weeks. Alright, I've just been in prison, kind of. But anyways, y'all have a good night.
You too.
See you later, and bye.
Midland, Texas. So this guy comes on someone's porch and takes a bike, but the homeowner catches him.
Put that bitch back.
Who was it?
I don't know.
Okay, yeah, just
Stole your bicycle.
when he shows up, I'll have them call you before they show up and have it.
Houston, Texas. So this guy gets caught stealing some lumber. Check it out.
Hey! Calling the cops. Get away from my wood right now. The cops are on their way.
Austin, Texas. Check her out. Hey. Los Angeles, California. Yeah. It's definitely coyote season. Beverly Hills, California. Check this guy out. Looks like he got a crowbar in his hand. Looks like he's trying to jimmy his way inside of somebody's home. Los Angeles, California. Another guy with a jimmy trying to take somebody's ring doorbell. Hey, leave my doorbell alone, buddy. His face is all on camera. Yeah, we see you, buddy. Yeah, Compton, California. So this coyote just wants to jump on top of this homeowner's car. I don't know, we must smell some food, or must smell some leftover Chick-fil-A inside the car or something. Cause he's definitely trying to get inside that car. The homeowner comes out and chases the coyote away. Let's see what happens. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Yeah.
It's good to have one of those poles here.
This is Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering Members only. Exclusive content.
Become a member of Doorbell News today. Get exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.